Why does your scanner show the P0197 engine code? What does it mean? P0197 is a diagnostic trouble code for engine oil temperature sensor A, circuit low. This engine code indicates that the PCM is receiving a voltage signal from the EOT sensor that is lower than the normal range, potentially due to a short to ground in the sensor's wiring or a faulty sensor itself. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty engine oil temperature sensor. Wiring problems. Low engine oil level. Engine oil contamination. Faulty PCM or ECM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Dodge, Subaru, and Nissan models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.